Plantronics Calisto 3200 is a personal speakerphone that allows you to make calls with your PC. This is what comes in the box. To get started, simply plug the USB cable into your computer. The indicator light will be illuminated in white for as long as the speakerphone is connected to the power source. To answer a call with your speakerphone, simply press the call button. To mute the call, press the mute button. To unmute, press the mute button again. To increase the volume, press the volume up button, and to lower the volume, press the volume down button. You can also use your Calisto 3200 as a music speaker. To put your speaker in music mode, press and hold the mute button for 4 seconds. To customize your settings or update your firmware, download Plantronics Hub at plantronics.com/software. You're now ready to enjoy your Calisto 3200 personal portable speakerphone. For more information, visit plantronics.com.